Why does your scanner show the P0650 engine code? What does it mean? P0650 is a diagnostic trouble code for malfunction indicator lamp control and circuit malfunction. It indicates a malfunction in the malfunction indicator lamp, also known as the check engine light. This code is stored when the vehicle's computer detects a problem with the MIL control circuit. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car: burnt-out MIL bulb, damaged wiring, loose or defective ground strap wire, faulty PCM, failed instrument cluster. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This engine code appears in various OBD-II vehicles, mostly comes in Kia Sorentos, Jeeps, Mercurys, BMWs, Hondas, and Mercedes-Benz's vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.